Today, I'm making one of my go-to Korean comfort foods, JJAJANGBAP, black bean sauce served over rice, using my new favorite cookware from Hexclad. Hexclad's hybrid cookware brings together the performance of stainless steel, the durability of cast iron, and the convenience of non-stick, giving you the best of all worlds. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or stir-frying, their versatile pans can handle it all. Check out Hexclad's full range of products, and if you're craving this JJAJANGBAP, the recipe is in the description box below.